Hey guys, do you know that your iPhone has a hidden document scanner and you can use it without any applications? I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's go. Firstly, go to our Notes application, tap Notes, and here in bottom menu we see camera icon. Tap it and then press Scan Documents. After that we can scan any documents and it will be automatically. For example, I scan my box of AirPods. It is automatically make scan, press this scan, and we can crop this scan if we decide that it was made badly. Then we can change color of this scan, for example, grayscale, black and white, and as a photo. I select color and we can rotate our document scan. After changing, in left upper corner, tap Done, and then in bottom right corner, tap Save. There is a scanned document in our notes, and we can share our note with a scan, or we can select our scan and then in right upper corner, tap Share and send it in any messenger or email. Leave the comment please. Why do you need this scanner? For what purpose? Thanks for the watching. Good luck!